My name is Lindsay Whitehurst. I cover criminal justice for the Associated Press here in Washington, D.C. We've just learned that the president's son, Hunter Biden, after a long-running federal investigation, has entered into an agreement with prosecutors on tax and gun charges that will likely spare him jail time. The deal calls for him to plead guilty on 2 misdemeanor tax counts and allows him to avoid prosecution on a felony gun charge if he sticks by a set of conditions that will be set by prosecutors. This investigation has been going on for at least 5 years. It dates back to a period in Hunter Biden's life where he has acknowledged struggling with addiction to drugs, especially crack cocaine, after the death of his brother. And it involves both his business dealings and a short period in 2018 where he possessed a handgun despite being a drug user, which is against federal law. His lawyer has said he is pleading guilty and wants to take responsibility for this period in his life and things that he did. News of this deal comes at a pivotal time for the Department of Justice. It was not long ago that the department handed down perhaps one of the most significant indictments in its history against former President Donald Trump, the first former president to face criminal charges. Republicans in Congress have been mounting investigations into nearly every facet of Hunter Biden's business dealings and those of his family. And this news of this deal on the criminal front likely won't put an end to those investigations in Congress and could even ratchet up the political temperature. What likely will happen next is there will be some kind of court appearance. Exactly when that will be, we're not sure yet, but typical in the process, a defendant does appear in court. This plea agreement that has been reached between prosecutors and Hunter Biden must still be approved by a judge. It's not formal until that happens. So next thing we will likely see is some kind of court appearance and a decision by the judge as to whether to formalize this agreement.